Instead of another gift that sits on the shelf, what if you could give something that brings real independence, confidence, and comfort? I'm showing you OT-approved gift ideas that your grandparents will actually use and love. Hey, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist, and today we are diving into something super close to home, thoughtful gifts for your grandparents or parents. I've spent hours digging through products that are actually useful. Everything in this video is occupational therapist approved and available at AskSAMIE.com, which is an incredible resource for aging in place and adaptive equipment. Oh, and here's a small tip. If you can use your HSA or FSA funds for most of these items, so if you still got money in those accounts, you can give a meaningful gift and make smart use of your benefits before they expire. If you want to jump ahead, check the chapters in the description. I've organized this video into sections for dressing, mobility, and everyday comfort. You'll also find a free downloadable gift guide in the description with every product link so you can browse later or maybe send it to a family member. So let's start with something simple that can make every morning easier: dressing aids. If your grandparents have arthritis, shoulder limitations, or just trouble with small buttons, these tools can bring back independence in a really dignified way. This button hook and zipper pull combo lets you handle clothing fasteners with one hand. No more struggling or waiting for someone to help. The sock aid is another underrated essential. It helps you slip on socks without bending or straining. Seriously, this is a game changer. It's a really old tool, but it works so well, and it's great for anyone with hip or back pain. And for something stylish, these magnetic closer shirts look just like a regular button-up, but fasten instantly. And here's a pro tip. You could buy a few for the whole family so your grandparent feels like it's a fashion choice and not so much an accommodation. Okay, next up is mobility. Mobility changes can make even short distances feel exhausting or unsafe, and the right support tools can completely change how your grandparents move through their day. So a lightweight rollator walker gives extra balance and stability, but what I love most are the built-in seats, perfect for rest breaks or when out shopping with family. For getting in and out of the bed, pairing a bed step with a bed rail is one of my favorite OT-approved solutions. The bed step gives that sturdy boost, while the rail offers balance and security. So if your person is teetering on a small step stool and is struggling to get in the bed, this is a great solution for them. And if you're focusing on safety, a toilet riser or tub transfer bench can make bathroom transfers simple and safe. It's great for anybody who's recovering from surgery or managing a little bit of mobility loss. Okay, now let's talk about comfort and independence, especially those who have vision changes or reduced grip strength, which can happen to all of us as we age. At AskSAMIE, you'll find vision-friendly tools like high-quality magnifiers, bold print clocks, and task lights. They're all designed to make life easier and safer. And for daily living, consider weighted cups or adaptive utensils. They're perfect for people with essential tremors or Parkinson's. They can reduce spills and build confidence during meals. The best gifts aren't about the price tag. They're about restoring independence, dignity, and ease. Everything I shared here is OT approved and available at AskSAMIE.com, where every product is vetted by occupational therapists so that it's safe, usable, and has a high impact. Don't forget, you can use your HSA or FSA funds on most of these products before they expire at the end of the year. So if you've been holding off on finding the perfect gift, now is a chance to get something thoughtful and practical, which is so important because so many times we don't spend that effort on ourselves. And so if you see your loved ones struggling just a little bit or changing what they do, this is a great way to help. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend or family member who's also shopping for their grandparents. You'll find all the product links, timestamps, and the free downloadable gift guide PDF in the description below. I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, and I'll see you next time where we'll be talking more about how we can have easy home upgrades to make aging in place safer and simpler. Until then, remember, independence is one of the best gifts that you can give.